speaking. Good yourself. Yeah, that is correct. Yeah.
And because the judiciary is an independent branch of government, there's not much else I can do to help.
Okay, that's fine. I guess what I'm wondering then is, um, the sheriffs. Whose jurisdiction are the sheriffs under?
The court.
Oh, so they're in the RCMP.
They would be assisting the court in the execution of the eviction notice.
Oh, really now? Okay, all right. So this order was issued, and my name isn't on this order. Okay, this is the legal owner, the
Well,
registered legal owner of the property.
I can neither confirm nor deny. Beyond my purview, I'm afraid. That,
Sure,
that, that, would, that would make
sure.
sense to me that the court would issue it to the
Yeah,
legal order,
sure.
but
Uh,
the court's doings are not within my reach, I'm afraid.
Oh, and that's fine. I guess where I'm at though is, quite honestly, you can say they have authority jurisdiction. They don't have authority jurisdiction over a man. These are corporate courts. I'm a man. Okay, so we'll be very clear with this. Uh, um, Mr. Brad Johns, the Attorney General, who has authority and jurisdiction over the courts in this province,
No,
does
he
he?
does not, sir.
Oh, really? Oh, okay.
Which is
So that's not what it says on your website. How come when I call the Justice Department, the courts come up? Oh, okay. So Mr. Robert Griggin there was appointed by a general attorney. So that's kind of seems like a conflict of interest there, where you have a bar member, the Attorney General Brad Johns, or David Lametti, appointing another bar member, and this bar member, along with the Daniel Roper, sent threatening letters to this house where I'm a resident of. This threatening letter tells me I have 1 week to get out of this property. I have a binding contract to. I am paid up in full. I have every right to live here, and I am not going to accept the fact that 1 week that these people are coming to remove me. And I'm giving fair warning to the Justice Department that you can tell the sheriffs and you can tell the RCMP, which I already have, if they come on this property, they got major issues. Mr. Robert Griggin is being served with a lawsuit along with David Lametti because I know, I understand the law. I just had a conversation with Daniel Roper, who is the petitioner's attorney, who takes oath to the crown here. Y'all take oath to the crown. The judge takes oath to the crown. I've called the judge and I required their public liability insurance for the damage they have caused. These people are failing to do their duties. Now, the jurisdiction of the Justice Department here now is there is crimes happening, and you're being notified of the crimes happening pursuant to, and they're actually in violation of private trust laws, bylaws that I have a private trust in hand that this guy is violating. You are giving notice now, and you are with the knowledge, the Justice Department and Brad Johns, that I am pursuing criminal charges, civil and administrative proceedings against this judge and this attorney who, like I said, once again, they both take oath to the crown, is the same as you guys do. Okay, I will not be removed. I will not be leaving this property. I will be serving every the attorney general, like I said, is with the notice now. I will be sending out affidavit to him, and if he chooses to allow these crimes to happen, like I said, I will be issuing criminal charges against the attorney general, and I will be pursuing breach of public trust charges against these people, and I will be filing suit with the SEC for securities fraud because there's a security agreement in place here. And pursuant to this Personal Property Securities Act, this judge has no jurisdiction or authority to trespass upon a private agreement. This Daniel Roper seems to think that he can just go and break a contract. And I said, "Wow, aren't you special? And think you get to go and break a contract?" Well, guess what? This contract that they sent to my host is now binding on them, and they are liable. Okay, Mr. Gregan in the Department of Justice. And I will be going after Brad Johns, the head people. I'm not suing the Justice Department. I will be suing him in his personal capacity. Any man or woman who chooses to trespass upon my private trust will be held accountable. And it's very simple. The laws I abide to are my private trust laws. I am a private person. I'm on private property. I have a private contract. And these people seem to think that they can come and breach all this stuff. I don't think so. These people work for me, okay? They work for me. They are government employees. Now, what's going to happen is since you're the Attorney General, what you're going to do for me, and I know you do have jurisdiction and authority over because I've already looked into it. What you're going to do is you're going to supply me with this judge's valid oath. And you're also going to supply me with their valid public liability insurance or to ensure that they are bonded, okay, for the damages they are causing now. And this is your jurisdiction. And don't tell me otherwise. I know the law, buddy. So if you, like I said, if you want to argue about this, Mr. Brad Johns will be taken into court, and that's the process I will do. I will take you into court. I will sue you for their bonds and
And
their oaths. They're not competent. Who are they? What are they competent of, though? They're not competent in law. They're competent in legal fiction. It's corporate law. I really don't care. But the corporation Brad Johns represents. So I am giving you an order right now. Once again, I'm going to require Robert Regan. I'm going to require his valid oath, and I'm going to require his insurance from you guys because you have the jurisdiction to do so. You're the only part of the government.
do you have a lawyer representative at all?
Why would I want that?
It's okay if you know. I just found that.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, no, fair enough. All right, well, I mean, as stated, such an order was issued pursuant to a court of competent jurisdiction's orders, and there's nothing else I can do. But I do wish you
Well,
best of
no,
luck
no,
with
I'm telling you, no, I'm telling you, Robert Cregan.
doing the inappropriate.
No,
And
I'm telling
hopefully
you,
it'll
I
be
order
released
you.
today.
I want his bond, and I want his valid oath. Are you not going to do that?
Oh, it is not within my powers to do, sir.
Why isn't it?
For a wide variety of reasons,
Well,
including that
who do I go to then? Who do I go to get a valid oath and to prove that they have insurance? Because I don't believe they're insured.
I would strongly encourage you to solicit the services of a lawyer.
I'm not
But
asking for your legal advice. I want to know. I know you got. I will sue you. What's your name again?
that was not legal advice. It's just
No, it is legal advice. You're telling me you get a lawyer. You're telling me what to do with my money. That sounds like legal advice to me. Tell me get a. Yeah, it's funny when I call you guys, all you do is tell me go get a lawyer.
not.
I don't want to. Why would I want a lawyer? All lawyers. You know what attorney means? To attorn is to take from one and give to another. That means to steal. That's a thief. Why would I hire an attorney?
I do hope you have a
And
good
they
day.
don't have competent jurisdiction because they practice legal. They don't know law. You don't know the law, dude. You tell Brad Johns personally, my name's David. You tell him I'm coming to sue him for everything he owns. I'll have him
You will.
I'll have him served at his house, okay? You tell
Well
him.
within your rights to try.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I honestly mean that.
Well, no, what's your name, man? What's your name? What's
My
your
name is
name?
Benjamin, sir, and I hope you have a good day.
Benjamin what?
And your last name, sir?
My name's David. I'm the king. Okay? The king. That's what you can call me, buddy. You're gonna know who I am real
I,
fucking soon. You
I do
tell
hope
you
you have
tell
a good day,
fucking
sir.
Brad Johns he comes near this fucking property. He's got big fucking problems. I'm gonna sue you motherfuckers into the ground. You got that? The province of Nova Scotia can lick my fucking balls.
Please take care, sir. Have a good day.
Yeah, bitch.